In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can generate Amazon affiliate links just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So to start generating Amazon affiliate links, first you should have an Amazon affiliate account like this one, okay? So if you don't have, just go to Google and search for Amazon Associate, click on the first link over here. So first you need to sign up to Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program. You will be directly in this page. Click on sign up. The sign up process is super easy and simple. So scroll down, click on create your Amazon account, and here you go. All you have to do is you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program. Okay, so this will be your Amazon Affiliate account dashboard. Okay, so to start generating affiliate links, what you will do next, you will go to Google and you will search for Amazon website. Okay, search for Amazon, click on the first link, and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so all you have to do is you need to choose which product you want to promote. So let's choose one of those products. For example, let me see. Let's scroll down. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Just for example, let's choose this one. You will click on this product. So just click on the product that you want to promote, and you will be directly in this product page on Amazon. And to generate an affiliate link for this product, all you have to do is you just need to click over here on text. So you already should have an account with Amazon Affiliate Marketing. So to have this bar here, this Amazon Associate Site Stripe bar, okay? So what you will do, click on text. Just click on text, and here you go. This is your affiliate link for this product, okay? So just copy this affiliate link, and you can go and start promoting this affiliate link to earn commission with Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program. Okay, that's how we can generate Amazon affiliate links. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.